So we are going to Namchi right now. We left Gangtok around 9:30 and it's 12 o'clock. We have stopped at this viewpoint to see the city of Namchi and we are going to Chardham. So from there we'll try to go to Buddha Park also and from then to Pelling. Road is really good and climate is pleasant. It's not too cold or too hot.
The drive to Namchi was relaxing due to the pleasant weather. We had a good and a much needed break in Gangtok yesterday and we were feeling fresh and relaxed. I was told the nights in Pelling would be very cold, so I was basking the sun as much as I could. Namchi is the capital of the district of South Sikkim. It is around 2 or 2.5 hours journey from Gangtok. This is a very big complex and we need minimum of 1 or 1.5 hours to see everything. Along with the Chardham, the Jyotirlingas, it also has a Sai Baba temple, Nandi statue, Kirateshwara temple. It has miniature forms of Chardham which are Badrinath, Jagannath, Dwarka and Rameshwaram. It also has 12 replicas of Jyotirlingas and you need to walk a lot as the temple complex is very huge. Even though we see many people here, you won't feel like there is lot of crowd because the place is really huge.
So you can see the Kanchenjunga again here. Here is one peak and here are the rest. So this is the statue of Guru Padmasambhava. According to the legend, when Guru visited the Gurudongma lake, localites complained that in the winter water will be frozen and they don't get any water for drinking purpose. So that's why the Guru blessed the Gurudongma lake such that part of the lake will not be frozen. at Buddha Park now in Ravangla. So you can see the Buddha statue. Behind the Buddha there is Kanchenjunga mountain. Hopefully the clouds clear and we can see the mountain. We went inside the hall, Buddha hall, and it is really amazing. Um, there is no photography inside the hall, but it is really good. If you come to Sikkim, you definitely have to come here. It is so peaceful. As you can see, the Buddha behind me, it's very huge, and there is a hall also below the Buddha statue, and it's really beautiful. Photography is not allowed inside the hall. There is a jade statue also of Buddha, which is very beautiful.
We reached Pelling at 7:30 and we checked into our hotel. Tomorrow we have planned for local sightseeing in and around Pelling. Our driver said that the mountain Kanchenjunga will be visible very clearly than what we saw in Gangtok. So I'm very excited to see it first thing in the morning.
Such that the water, even such that the Guru Padma Sambhava, according to the legend. So what is a small part of the lake? It will remain what the water will be remaining. So what you saw just now is the Guru it's the Guru Dongma lake, such that part of the water will remain will remain unfrozen, will not be frozen.